This is my least favorite part of everything I do in my real estate career. All right, so we are off to do our open house, and I had to stop at the office to get the signs first and foremost. So my signs in my open house basket, which you can probably hear the signs rattling around back there. Not my favorite thing, I'm not gonna lie. What I love about our office being downtown is that I have to drive through our cute little downtown area. So I left myself a little bit of extra time, and I had time to stop at late for the train for a coffee, because let's face it, it's very important when you're doing an open house. You have to market it. You have to have signs to guide people into it. You have to have flyers to hand people, and you have to have coffee to keep your energy up. And I just set this up, going to do the 3D tour while I'm here. Just finishing up the open house and picking up the signs and turning off the lights and all the good things. But you have to see how cute this house is. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This is my least favorite part of everything I do in my real estate career. Picking up the signs, especially from the busy corner, and putting them away. And there you go. Okay, there you have it. Open house is done. See what I'm talking about? Like, you have to park in these weird spaces, and then people pass you, and it's extremely awkward, and I hate that. But that's okay. Here we go. A successful open house. The house that I was doing the open house on today, we put under contract yesterday. Today we did have some really good traffic come through, and obviously what I'm searching for at this point, now that we're under contract, I'm searching for a backup contract, because especially the newer the contract, the more chances that it could fall out of escrow. And so you definitely want to have a backup offer in place, so that if it falls out of escrow at any point in time, then you actually have another contract that just slips right on in, and you don't have to go back on the open market. And that's the goal. Oh, I got a call coming in. I'm gonna go ahead and take this real quick. Phone call's over. It was one of my team members, and we were just getting caught up on a Friday afternoon. So now I am driving back to the office. At the office, I got some calls done. I forgot to take video, but then my husband and I decided to go out to dinner at a new restaurant in town. Teatro is a new restaurant in town. It's in the downtown area in Flagstaff, Arizona, and it was fantastic. I also ordered this drink. I think it was called the Smoke and Coffee, or Smoke and Tobacco and I don't know. Anyway, it's very good, and I absolutely loved it. So I hope you enjoyed following me along on this day in the life. Make sure you subscribe for more day in the life videos of a small town successful realtor, as well as my coaching program that I lead. I post videos for coaching. I post videos for different tips and tricks on being successful as a real estate agent. So I hope that you join me. Cheers.